Good morning, everyone. This is Anthony, Wall Street Trader, 10:10 a.m. on May 2nd, 2021. Real quickly, to disclaim that this is not financial advice. Please follow your own financial advisor's advice when it comes to investing in NuCypher and or any other investment that you may have.
This video is for education purposes and to outline my own personal opinions as well.
Great, as well as mine. And just to note that personal opinions are not facts. So please keep that in mind and trade at your own risk. Twitter and Reddit below. For those who have Twitter, you're probably already observing that you're getting intraday updates on this. If you're not subscribed right now, feel free to click on the link in the description of the video below. Let's go straight into the allocation. So of the allocated amount of money that I want to spend on NuCypher, 70% of it is currently in NuCypher, dollar cost average across these 4 price points. So I got in at each one of those. 30% of the NuCypher allocation is sitting in cash, and I will wait until I see more certainty around which way I think this thing will be heading. But right now, it's a 50-50. So I want to stay on the sidelines and wait. If you're invested, my recommendation for myself would be to wait, as I am. So being 70% invested into it, I will wait it out until I get more certainty, and I got 30% in cash. So if it drops, great. I get to buy some more at a lower price. If it goes up, great. My 70% up here appreciates. And this is how you make money in the market. You got to be balanced. Always have a little bit on the sidelines for a sharp downturn in the event that actually does happen. Now, let's go straight to the markets. Right now, NuCypher is at what price?
50.64.
50.64 and changing pretty rapidly overnight. Just to pull this app back out, let's recognize, we had this long-term trend up on the green lines, intermediate term trend downward on the red lines. We could be at an inflection point here, and I basically redrew this pennant formation, where we've gotten a bunch of resistance here, then a lot of support, now a lot more support over here. Note that the volume is only 9 million shares. This is like $4 million a day being traded on this, folks, on Coinbase. So, you multiply this by the price of NuCypher. So it's pretty small. We were trading like 16 million a day, like 4 times the amount. So I gather it has to do with the weekend. People are out. It's sunny out here in New York. It's fantastic weather. So people are out and about. So people probably are not paying much attention. I'd imagine that there's a lot of low volume across the markets. But keep your eye on tonight. Tonight, Asia comes in. It'll be 8:30 a.m. their time on Monday. It'll be 8:30 p.m. our time, and I will be, or Eastern Standard, and I will be doing a video later on tonight, and we'll observe the behavior of this price action as we get closer and closer to that period of time. It's certainly looking like it's slated for a move Sunday night Eastern Standard, Monday morning, which is also coincidental with Monday morning Asia time. Anyway, let's go straight into, so we're still holding the scrimmage of 50. Nothing fancy here. We took a dip yesterday night to 49 and change. So let's see how this plays out. Lots of support here. It has a good, we can map out on this trend line multiple touch points, which is what you want to see when you're drawing out a trend line. So we're looking good there. Let's see how this whole thing plays out. NuCypher to Bitcoin, just taking a look at, I should get a free version of this at some point, probably soon. But effectively, this is looking like 900s of scrimmage. Look, we took a break away. We only went to 875. It wasn't like serious stuff. Look at the volatility here. So we're just meandering around this 900 range. Right now we're at 889. I expect I expect this to trend up through time. Just given its historical view. So I expect it to get back up, at least initially up to the 10 to 11, which by the way is a 20% increase to NuCypher. So in US dollar terms. So it would be significant, a move this way. Just 10% would make the price go from $50, 50 cents to 55 cents. That's why this NuCypher Bitcoin correlation is so important and so moving to the underlying price that it pays to pay attention to that pair. Looking at the Bitcoin market, excuse me, looking at the Bitcoin world, we're looking at a fairly short-term bullish pattern. I know it pulled back overnight, but we're still kind of on an uptrend here. Rise, fall, rise, fall. Are we up? Are we about to turn into another rise? Push higher to the 60,000 range would get us to complete this inverse head and shoulders. And quite frankly, this looks like Batman's head, to be honest with you, like upside down. So, it's got a Batman looking shape, but, all kidding aside, 60,000 seems to be the completion point of the Bitcoin inverse head and shoulders pattern. So we're on a wait and see mission here, and we will keep you posted throughout the day. What's the price right now, Ant?
50.60.
Okay, great. So we're going to close it out, and I'll have a video later tonight. Close it out, Ant.
Bye, everyone. Have a nice day.